Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you have been wondering how you can download videos from TikTok. As we know, you can download videos normally from TikTok, but they will come with a watermark. That might be annoying sometimes. So if you want to download videos on TikTok and without watermark, follow up with this video. I will show you exactly how. First of all, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then simply search for TikTok and make sure you have the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it, and after updating, just go back to your TikTok application, log into your account and find a video that you want to download without watermark. Now tap on this share button in the top right corner. So you will get this option. You can see there is an option for save video. You can directly save the video from TikTok, but it comes with a watermark as I said. So now you want to save this without watermark. You just have to copy the link of that video. You just simply have to swipe and you can see the option copy link. Just tap on it, and when the link is copied, just go back from the TikTok and open any browser, and you have to search for this snaptik.com. Tap on search and you will find this website here. You just simply have to paste your link here, tap on this download, wait up for a couple seconds, and you will get your video and the download button ready. Tap on this download. Now you have to wait for it to download. As you can see, it's downloading, and now you can see file download. Just tap on this open. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.